I really believe that healthy people are what's important, and they're more important than the idea of being married once that marriage is really past being saved. Clients, when they come to my office, are most often afraid, and my job is to dispel that fear.
There are highs and lows in anything in life, and matrimonial law included. All of those cases generate from a relationship, and people enter into that relationship thinking that it might last forever, and hopefully it does last forever. I'm not supposed to be part of the equation.
I've been practicing law in New York State for 25 years. Family law and matrimonial law has been an emphasis for over 20 of those years. Matrimonial law changes all the time. We're on top of that stuff. We have to be. I want to know the law as it applies to a client's case immediately.
This is not a place where they imagine themselves to be going through a divorce when they started out in love, marrying somebody. I'd let them know that they're hiring me to do the worrying for them.
I help a client get to the next level, the next place in their life. It's not just, telling the client what they want to hear. It's telling the client what they need to hear.
I was already scared. I was already under attack. I was already desperate, and I became much more desperate. And really not fighting to win much, but just to keep what I had, which was a daily lifestyle with my daughter. I wouldn't be able to be the father that I am today, and the father that I intended to be. My daughter wouldn't have the presence of her father the way she deserves.
I take tremendous pride in not only doing a great job for my clients in the courtroom, but also trying to connect with them on a personal level.
I've seen from the beginning to the end of the case that the weight is lifted from their shoulders at the end, and they're ready to move on with their life and have a new beginning.
Compassion is nice, but when it was time to get, pushed to shove, I think the opposition quickly realized that they were in over their head, and I think about the success I've had since then, and I do owe it to someone who really stood by my side and held me up when I was falling down. I was done.
Everybody's case takes what time it takes, and we will work with somebody to understand their situation so that they can begin to know that there is somebody who can help them work through this.